Hello everyone, you caught me with my DJI Smart Controller here. I'm just checking the new firmware update that just became available this morning. I'll put the firmware numbers down below. You know, some big long number doesn't make any sense to anybody. But yes, we've all been waiting for the DJI Smart Controller update to allow it to control the DJI Mavic Air 2, one of our favorite drones of 2020. It was kind of promised at the time of release of the Mavic Air 2 that it would be compatible with the DJI Smart Controller, and that did happen this morning, as first reported to me anyways, on the Philly Drone Life channel featuring Mikey. I got up this morning and I saw on my feed he had a video where he was showing how to do it. So, I'm not going. This isn't going to be a long video here. So, I fired up my Smart Controller. I did not see the update at first. It wasn't there. So I've kind of kept refreshing the update part in the settings, and after maybe 3 or 4 times, refreshing it, it finally came up with the firmware update. So I hit the update button, and it gave me the details of the number and what I was going to do. That I was going to add the Mavic Air 2 to the compatibility list, and it started doing its download, and it got stuck at some point. I think I saw it gets first stuck at 50%, and I hit the button again to keep going. And, it kept getting stuck, so I kind of rebooted the whole controller and tried it again. And I could never get to go all the way through. And as Mikey said in his video, you could get the DJI Assistant on your laptop out, and you could do the update from there. And you may have better luck doing it that way. I'm not sure how Mikey actually resolved it, whether he did make it go through with the computer, or he did get it just to go through online. I mean, just with the device itself. But anyhow, I didn't try that, folks. Again, I'm not going to go through all that. I know what's going on here. Everybody, in the world is trying to download that update today, and that's why you're having problems. If you just, put the thing, if you don't get frustrated, don't get mad because it's not updating, and don't spend all day trying every trick in the book, unless you want to, unless you got a lot of free time and you desperately need this working today. Just put the thing aside, go about your day, maybe fly other drones, or, I love flying the Mavic Air 2 with the controller that it came with, which I don't have sitting here. It was kind of a brand new style controller. And again, just enjoy flying, especially if it's a beautiful day where you live, and don't worry about this update. Try it again tomorrow. Today's Tuesday, tomorrow's Wednesday. If it doesn't work Wednesday, try it Thursday. Eventually, it'll come through and it'll work or whatever. You don't need to spend hours getting laptops out and, again, unless you want to. In fact, I always have trouble with the DJI apps on the laptop. They never really want to work right for me. And I'm on a Mac, and I know, especially with this thing, so I'm trying to update an Android device with a Mac. So it could be issues just saying that. So again, I've had trouble where if the DJI Assistant app wasn't doing what it's supposed to do on a Mac. So I've tried it on a Windows laptop, and I've even had trouble on the Windows side. So I know using the desktop app is the gold standard for getting things done right, and it has saved my bacon a couple times. Just recently on the Mavic Mavic Mini, just the Mavic Mini. Sorry, I made a new drone there, and so it's a great app. But again, it's a nice day out here. I want to get out and enjoy the day. I don't want to sit in the office here all day messing with updates and apps and having problems and getting frustrated. So it'll work tomorrow. Thursday, Friday, it'll eventually upload on the controller, and it'll work, and it'll just be hit pressing a button and just sitting aside for 5 or 10 minutes rather than wasting a whole bunch of time working on it. So anyhow, that's just my thought process and how to problem solve the sticky update. Because I see all online, Facebook, YouTube, so on, people are having trouble with the update. So don't think it's just you or something you're doing wrong. It's a common issue. Again, I boil it down to, everybody's hitting those DJI servers all at once, and it's slowing them down, crashing them, anything along those lines. So yeah, just relax, wait a couple days, get your update going, and then you can go out and fly the Air 2 with the Smart Controller. So again, short video today. I just wanted to pass that news along, and don't forget the Philly and Ron show tonight at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time over on Philly Drone Life YouTube channel. I'm sure Mikey and I'll get into the Smart Controller and the update tonight and all that stuff in great detail. So if you have any questions or comments you want to give to us directly, stop in the chat. We'd be more than glad to have you in there. We'll try to welcome you, give you that warm greeting. And so that's about it. So we will see you on the next one.